Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue not detecting USB devices. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about. Under about, go down, set Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system you can find new option, developer options. Select it. So these are a list of developer options. From this list, let me find networking section. See, under networking you can find select USB configuration. Select it, and here we can change USB configuration. We have 5 options: charging, MTP, PTP, USB Ethernet, MIDI. So let me enable MTP, Media Transfer Protocol. See, then you can check USB device. If you are using MIDI device, you can enable MIDI, then you can connect and check. So this way we can change USB configuration. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.